A good, simple salsa is easy to make but full of flavor.
To me personally, party would be incomplete without zesty salsa. So today I'm making red and green salsa.
To prepare the green salsa, I prefer to take mostly green ingredients. And here I have the ingredients ready to prepare the green salsa. Take tomatoes, remove the husk from the tomatoes, wash really well. And into the food processor cup, take tomatoes, cilantro, coriander leaves, jalapeno or serrano peppers, onion, garlic, ground cumin and salt to taste, juice of a lemon or lime, and ready to blend. Let me show you the color of the salsa, zesty, tasty salsa.
Here I got some corn chips to go with all the dips.
Perfect to serve with tortilla chips or any kind of corn chips. Next, it's time to prepare the red salsa, and here I have the ingredients ready to prepare red classic salsa. Into the food processor cup, take diced tomatoes. I prefer to use diced tomato because it helps to preserve the salsa longer. Onion, colorful peppers, cilantro, jalapeno or serrano pepper, salt, ground cumin, garlic, juice of lemon or lime, and simply ready to blend. Let me show you the colorful salsa. Look at it.
I cannot resist myself.
This homemade red and green salsa can be preserved up to a week into refrigerator.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is almost everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen apps totally free on your mobile devices like iOS, Android and many more. You can also watch me on a big TV screen using Roku, Amazon Fire or YouTube app itself if you have the smart TV. Thanks for watching and see you soon. Welcome to Bhavna's Kitchen.